Hi, I'm Marta, and welcome to the Studio Movellan channel. Here, you'll find helpful digital marketing and social media tips and how-tos to grow your small business. Be sure to subscribe below. Today, we're going to learn how to create a business page on Facebook. Start by navigating to your personal Facebook account. In the top right-hand corner, click the grid icon and select Page. Next, enter your page name, usually your business name. Choose a category that best represents your business and add a brief description of what your business offers. Next, add your contact information and location and hours of operation. Upload a profile picture and cover photo. Be sure to select ones that you use on other social media platforms for visual brand consistency. It's important to add an action button. Think about what steps you want your customer to take next. Go through the rest of the setup steps and click Done. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, remember to subscribe for more tips and let us know in the comments what you want to learn next.